Hi, my name is Chef Joe. I'm from B Dining Restaurant. So I've just received the new Thermomix TM6 and I'm very excited to show you what I do with it today. The thing that stands out the most is the new Latch Screen, which is amazing because it's very convenient for us to see right now. Okay, so there are 3 ways to cook with the Thermomix. Firstly, we have the cookie dough. I heard there are over 50,000 recipes to it. So it's very convenient for home bakers or new cooks or even professional chefs like me. Moving on to the next screen, we have the manual cooking. So all the manual functions, we have the time, the temperature and the speed. Following on the next page, we have the automated functions, and let's get right into it. So the scale function, which can go up to 1 gram accuracy, which is amazing for pastry chefs like me. We have the blend function, which can blitz or blend like hard nuts such as macadamia and almond. The dough function, which can cut down the time you make a dough drastically by a lot and give us the end result. The slow cook function, it's very good for braising meats, or me being in a Chinese family, we love cooking soups. It's very good as you can set the temperature to 90 degrees, which is a proper temperature for double boil, and the time can go up to 8 hours, which can give you the amazing flavors for the soup. The turbo function, which most of you are familiar with the older models, which can blitz content to powder. The sous vide allows you to cook up to 12 hours by the exact temperature to achieve the texture that you want. Moving on to the next function, we have the PreClean, which I'm most excited about. It auto-detects how dirty your bowl is and automatically sets a time to clean your bowl, so it will be easier to wash it later on. If you like yogurt and cheeses, the fermentation mode is perfect for you. Lastly, we have the kettle function. Pour in any amount of water you need, set the desired temperature, turn a knob and you get the temperature you want. So for people who love eggs in the morning like me, it takes about 5.5 minutes at 100 degrees to get a perfect lava flowy yolk. Caramelization has been made easier with the new TM6 as sugar stages are controlled by the machine. Thus, will give you a proper finish and the desired result that you want. The Thermomix is like an extra working pair of hands. So while it's cooking, I would have some free time to do whatever I can.